let's look at our next lesson, the search for extraterrestrial life. First of all, please check this word, extraterrestrial, in your dictionary if you are not sure what it means. Okay, so do it. You can pause here while you do it. So, in other words, the search for aliens. Yeah, is there anyone else in the space? So we're starting with a pre-lesson quiz that you will find on your page. I'm doing it from my computer, so it will be a little bit different. Yeah? Okay. So here we have some audio. Okay. So, and now you listen to each sentence, and this word in bold, so this time it's assume. Let's match it with the words, with the definitions in column B. Okay. So A, B, or C, and you type it here. Okay, so that's how you listen for every sentence, and then match these words in bold, yeah, galaxy, intentionally, light, yes, with the definitions in column B. Okay, and then just think about these questions, and maybe also Google what SETI is. Yeah, some interesting facts about this organization. Okay, so we've done this, so we know what the topic is about, we know some useful vocabulary. Then we go back to our folder and we open in the handout. Okay, so I already have a handout open. So today our skill focus is degrees of certainty. Yes, in other words, how sure are we? If we are sure, yeah, if it's a fact, then it's a fact. If we are not sure, if we just guess, yeah, or assume, then it is possibility and theory. Let me tell you from the very beginning that theory and possibility are very close. Okay, so let's not go into much detail. Yeah, how to differentiate them. So, for example, here Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Is it a fact, theory, or possibility? Of course, it's a fact, yeah. Maybe some people think gold is expensive. Maybe. Possibility. It's highly likely that solar energy will replace oil. Highly likely. So it's again possibility or maybe theory. It makes sense to think that two parents are better than one. Theory. In 1965, the spaceship Mariner 4 took photographs of Mars. Fact. There could be life on other planets. Possibility and theory. We can assume that technology will get smaller and faster. Again, theory, maybe a possibility. It's probable that global warming will continue. Possibility, definitely. Yeah. So then you can take these sentences. Yeah, so language used for facts. Which language is used here? Yeah, so is, took. Yeah. For theory, we can say highly likely, or we can assume, or it makes sense to think. Yeah, possibility. It's probable, could be, maybe. Okay. So anyway, as I said, today we are going to look at facts as separate and theory possibility together. Okay. So now we will listen to a short excerpt from a lecture about Mars. And first task, you just need to complete these notes. Okay. So here it is. It's in your lesson folder. Here, the search for extraterrestrial life, skill focus. So click on it, it's very short. Listen to it once or twice as you wish. Okay, so please pause the video, listen to it, and complete these notes. Good, we continue. Now, listen again and tick the boxes if these sentences are facts or theory possibility. Please pause the video, listen again. Okay, so let's continue. Let's compare what you have and I have. So this is what I have. Yes, so there could be water on the planet, and it is theory possibility. It could be. Spaceship took pictures of the planet. That's a fact. Probable some kind of life. Theory possibility. And assume. We assume no life. Theory possibility. Okay. Good. So now we are continuing with our handouts. And here, today we have a template for taking notes. And we are taking special notes. We are trying to differentiate facts that we hear and theories and possibilities that we hear in the lecture. So there will be 3 assumptions. So before you listen to the lecture, you can read them, translate anything, any words that you don't know. Let's remember, yeah, that when you hear facts, there will be just information that is known. Everyone knows that it's true. And theories and possibilities, if you hear probable, assume, maybe, yeah, then it is a theory or possibility. Okay? So, watch the lecture. Let me show you once again where it is. It is here, yeah, the link to your media album. Then here it is. Yeah, it is 6 minutes 8 seconds. You can download it or you can watch it from Schoology. I strongly recommend you downloading it and watching or listening to it twice. Okay? And take notes, of course. The lecture twice. Let's look at the notes that you took. Okay? And let me show you my notes. Wait a second. Here they are. Okay, so these are my notes. So first of all, I heard about SETI project, and although it's not here in the template, I thought that I need to write down some information about this project. Okay. Then the first assumption, so these are the facts about the number of stars and number of galaxies, yeah, so we're writing them here. So this one should be in the fact, yeah, so that 200 billion stars in the Milky Way. Then what about the theories that each star could be like our sun, that maybe there is a planet like our Earth next to the sun with the right conditions for life, and maybe there is intelligent life developed. Then aliens, assumption that aliens will not travel to Earth, yeah, assumptions, maybe spaceship is not probable. Why? Because the facts, what are the facts? That universe is too big. The fact is that if there is a spaceship coming to us from Alpha Centauri, that is 4.2 light years away from us, it will take 60,000 years to reach us. Yeah, so it's a very, very far. So it takes too long. And aliens will communicate by sending radio signal. That's an assumption. So now, what are the facts? So SETI project, yes, it looks for radio signals from outer space. There are large telescopes, like big round dishes, something like ears. And the radio signals, it's not complicated technology. And they travel at speed of light, that is the fastest in the universe. So, for example, again, from the same star Alpha Centauri, the signal will come just in 4 years. And the scientists in the SETI project, they listen for strong signal, different from others, some series of sounds or sequence of sounds. And what are the theories, possibilities? That aliens won't travel, they will give a call first, and they probably will communicate by radio signals, and probably they have this technology because it's a simple technology. Okay, so I hope that your notes look something like this. Okay, good. And now let's go to the Schoology, and there you will find a quiz with the questions for the lecture that you need to answer.